Dan Bilzerian beard within only 10 days? Being a man, I can understand your need. It will be better to express the phrase as desire. Having a dashing look with a beard is every man's dream. Do you follow the same dream? Do you want to be popular among girls? Subscribe to our channel now to get your new fashionable style. Among your friends circle? Then you are in the right place. Beard is becoming a hype day by day. Dan Bilzerian beard style is asked by many. Wait. Who is Dan Bilzerian? Dan Bilzerian is a famous name in the world of social media. As Dan is a social media influencer, he has a good fan following. It keeps him encouraged to give new content, new information, new vlogs, and others. Other than a social media influencer, this American guy is a master of poker games. However, he is quite famous for his looks. How can you grow Dan Bilzerian beard within 10 days? To get an awesome beard like Dan, you need to follow a healthy diet too. Irregular activities can hamper your health and beard too. Everyone will tell you how to get a beard, but no one will tell you how to maintain it for a long time. I'll tell you how to maintain your beard for so long. Just follow my words, you'll get what you desire. First step, eat healthy and provide nutrition to your beard. A few years back, when an interviewer asked Dan about the secrets of his dashing beard, he gave the best solution. Nutrition is very important for growing healthy even in his hair. He revealed his diet chart for beard particularly. After verifying the nutrition list, I can assure you, it's perfect. Let's know the names of the foods he used to eat. The foods and fruits, enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E, are mostly effective. There is a pigment in our hair, called melanin, which is responsible for the black, dark shiny look. You need to keep it up until the day you decide to cut your beard. Vitamin B, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6 are crucial too. Second step, start the treatments for beard. So while your beard is about to grow, you need to start caring about it. How you'll take care of it? Take only 3 things: beard oil, a brush, and a comb. Allow beard oil every day on your beard as well as on mustache. It will provide nutrition to it from the outside. Remember, the more you treat your hair with oil, the faster it grows. Third step, shave or trim to get the exact style. Let me mention first, this program needs to start from the 5th day. Within the rest of the days, you'll get a perfect shape. In this discussion, you'll know how to cut or trim your beard to make it exactly like Dan Bilzerian. First of all, don't rush. I am suggesting you take 9 to 10 days because a blind rush can hamper your look. Day 5, give a shape to your beard. I mean, cut the popped up hair from the margin of your 1.5 inches, 3.81 centimeters, thick beard. Day 6, take care of the ends where your mustache is meeting your beard. You need to give a smooth finish. Day 7, take your trimmer and shave it from the bottom of your ear to a little above the meeting point of mustache and beard. Don't forget to use a beard trimmer for this. Subscribe to our channel now to get your new fashionable style. As your day 10 is over, now you can celebrate your look.